The next morning, we started to pack up.
We are leaving the hotel. Oh yeah.
After a bit of driving, we arrived at the place we were camping. Our campsite was actually a bit further down the road, so we got back in the car.
We're at our campsite. Oh yeah.
You know all the rain we got at the last campsite? Well, you can see how wet the tent is from that. Once we had dried out the tent with a towel, we played some Forbidden Desert.
We're going swimming, but first, an epic transition.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah!
Yeah! It's pretty strong here. Phew!
After we went swimming, we went to explore the Hoodoos near our campsite. Eventually, we returned to our campsite to have dinner.
It's toothbrush time.
The next morning, we had breakfast and then went on to a bus that took us to a tour of the rock art in the area. After the tour, we all got ice creams. Then, we went back to the Hoodoos. Then we went swimming again. And once we got back to camp, we had marshmallows. Oh, and we cooked them the best way, by burning them. The next morning, on day 6, we drove home.